Open cage chandeliers offer bright, statement-making designs for any home. Let's explore the look at Lamps Plus. What is an open cage chandelier? Well, they're open for one thing, just as the name implies. Most have an open cage form around a center cluster of lights. They've become very popular over the last couple of years because of their playful and eye-catching appearance. The way the cage forms around the lights lends a modern look to the classic candelabra chandelier. There are many names associated with open cage styles. Linear cage chandeliers have a long, rectangular open frame. They're perfect for brightening long tables or kitchen islands. Geometric chandeliers often have elaborate shapes made of diamonds or cubes. They sparkle in a modern setting. Orb chandeliers have a round, orb-shaped frame around the lights. Use them for extra wow in a dining room or entryway. What's your favorite? No matter what you choose, you can find them all at Lamps Plus. The plus is for possibilities.